Look at that. Melted cheese, avocado, sauteed peppers and onions, leaf lettuce. Man, that looks great. I can't wait.
Oh man.
Alright, what's up YouTube? We're gonna fire up our cooker. We're gonna throw in some we're gonna make some pulled beef today. And man, what a day to do it. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. Combination, it snowed first, then it rained on top of the snow, so easy to move, but what a mess. Days like today, ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna fire up my cooker and just chill. Alright, we're gonna fire up the Members Mark pellet grill. I can call it grill now because I did make some updates and I'll bring you up to speed on that. But today we're gonna get it, we'll throw a couple of chuck roasts in there and we're gonna smoke them up, have some nice succulent delicious pulled beef. Stick around. Alright, our cooker's fired up. We'll get the lid closed. Smoke tube burning. Let's get our meat ready. We got our cooker ready. We're gonna get our meat in there. So I got the smoke tube going. I do it just for extra. I just like the stronger smoke profile or smoke flavor in my meat. That's why I run the smoke tube. You don't have to, I do it. And we're gonna get this closed up. Alright, let's kick it up to 200. We're gonna let it go at 200 for about an hour. And then after that, we're gonna bump her up to 250. We'll be back. Alright, it's been an hour. We got our first hour here. Go ahead and give them a quick spritz here. Yeah, we're gonna be treating these like they're brisket. We'll cook them up just like I would a brisket. Spritz every hour. Matter of fact, seasoning everything just like a brisket, except it's not a brisket. Season them however you feel. Got a nice color on them. Alright, now we've been going for the first hour at 200. I'm gonna go ahead and bump it up to 250. And let her ride out for the rest of the cook at 250. And we'll be back. Right. Hour number 2. Giving it a nice spritz there. Keep these babies looking moist. More tender, juicy meat. We ain't making jerky. Also, you can see I incorporated or inserted meat probe. And we get up to 160. That's the meat temperature right there. We get about 160. It's about the range of the stall. We get to about 160. We'll go ahead and wrap them up like we would a brisket. Let them ride out until we hit the appropriate temperature or the temperature that we're looking for. But for me, it's 199. We'll be back. Alright, we hit our temperature. Go ahead and get them wrapped. Instead of wrapping them individually, I'm going to see, I put them in this pan. Go ahead and give them one more spritz. We'll let them go. So I hit my target temperature, and for me today is 199. And we'll be back. Right. The probe temperature is saying 212, so we're past our point. We'll go ahead and pull it, let it rest, and we'll be back. Alright folks, here we are, finished product. So one of them I took and shredded one of them. That's the shredded one. And I took and sliced one. Just to show you the options, you can go with that. You know, as far as toppings, we got some sauteed peppers and onions, avocado, fresh onion, tomato. You can go leaf lettuce or you can go shredded. You know, slather a bun with some mayonnaise, ranch, or whatever. We're gonna hit it, whatever toppings that you think is fits your palate. But enough talk. We're gonna get into this. My family's been waiting. He said, "Hey, hurry up, put the camera down. We're ready to eat." So we're gonna do that, and we'll be back. Look at that: melted cheese, avocado, sauteed peppers and onions, leaf lettuce. Man, that looks great. I can't wait. Awesome. Looks delicious.